So it's for the best if you come clean.
Ooh, someone's gonna be pissed.
Day that we finally make the call. Oh, I've seen enough to know never did we give our all. But if you feel something, oh, just let it go. I don't wanna ever hold you back, since we've already made our bed. So just let it and don't lie to me.
Okay, so we're leaving tomorrow, but we're not officially leaving tomorrow. We're officially leaving Friday night, but it's gonna be Saturday, so we're leaving at we're departing at 1 a.m. in the morning on Saturday here, and we'll be back home around 5 a.m. So yeah, so tomorrow we're just leaving so we can make sure that there isn't any traffic, because there's roads that are closed or being worked on, and there could be a possibility that we can fall behind if we leave Friday morning. So we want to make sure that we get there on time. And yeah, because we also don't know what time the airport closes. We checked on the website, but it says nothing. So yeah, we're leaving a bit early to see tourist attractions too. But yeah, I'm kind of sad. It's really pretty, and plus my grandma is here, and I hope to visit her in the summer. I will come again in the summer. But yeah, but there's also very exciting things going on at school. For example, me being exiled in staff. Oh my god, when I found out the news, I was so happy. But yeah, we're leaving tomorrow, and we have to make sure everything is packed. I did get something from the store, so let me show you that real quick. So these aren't mine, but these are, I don't know what they're called, temazcales. That's what they're called in Spanish. They're technically a fruit, but they're dried, and you can paint them once they're still young, very greenish, I guess. I don't know, but yeah, you can drink stuff out of it. And my mom wanted to get these, so this is going in my luggage. Yeah, they were like 10 quetzales. So $1 here is $7.75. I don't know why I said point, but yeah. And then we got some candies. Someone eat one? I guess it fell out. What the heck? That's super weird. But we got these kind of candies. They're really good. But if you do eat one, this is TMI. If you eat one, your your urine will be the color. Well, I don't know about this and this, but this and this, your urine will come out that color. Oh my god, I can't believe that it actually, what the hell? It broke, but I didn't eat one. Something I found really interesting that they don't sell in America, and I tried looking this up on Amazon and they do not sell it. I don't know about either, but they have an asepsia foundation, and I looked online, I looked at it, and they're like, this is really good. I use asepsia, the bar, like the soap bar, to cleanse my face every day. And like when I saw this at a pharmacy and at the grocery store, I was shocked. I was like, I need this. And like what I read is that you can like apply it day and night. Like you can literally go to sleep with makeup on. And I was surprised, so I got one for myself, and it was like 30 quetzales, and online was like 114 quetzales. I was like, what the heck? Why is that? Like it was more expensive at the pharmacy, but I got this at the grocery store really cheap. But I'm really excited. I think I'm gonna use this on Friday when I go to the airport. I think so, because I don't really have makeup products with me. I didn't really bring makeup products with me, but yeah, I'm excited for this. I don't know, but they said it takes off acne, so I was like, oh. At the same time, I trust this brand a lot, because when I had a lot of acne, like probably in 6th grade, like I started using soap, and at night I would leave for 20 minutes. Like, that's really bad. Don't do that. For 20 minutes, and then it started to like disappear. But yeah, I really trust brand. That's why I got it. But overall, to be honest, I feel like my skin got 10 times better. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if it's the one or here, don't lie. But yeah, it gets really night early, and I go to sleep like around 8 or 9. But I have to go to sleep early today, because if not, I'm not waking up and make sure I have everything in my luggage before I go. So yeah. And I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah. I will be wearing the same outfit to the airport, so don't think anything wrong. But yeah, I'm wearing the same outfit tomorrow at the airport, and I bought some souvenirs. So yeah, I have to go because they're waiting for me.
Oh, we held hands, that everything would be okay. But when I saw
Oh.
Oh, when I watched her play.
Everything I waited on from a dark place. I know you felt my pain, done that, been there. I know you know the way I feel when life's unfair. Now my energy is fading. I know you are aware, but I feel wide awake, and your hands are in my hair. So stay a while, so stay a while, or stay forever, if forever's your thing. All the nights I spent alone, knowing life's made for two, but didn't